Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Manitoba Junior Hockey League here in Neepawa, Manitoba, where the Neepawa Titans are getting set to play host to the OCN Blizzard. Puck controlled by the Blizzard through neutral ice into the Neepawa zone. That's off of a stick deep along the end board. Centering pass, knocks all alone, loose puck. Another shot, save. Demers, two good saves. Blizzard get it back to the point. Shot off of Birch's stick to the end boards. Sinclair plays it out front. Shot. Wilton tried to feather it through. Shot. Loose puck off the end boards. That ends up back behind. Back to the point. Another shot. That's high over the net by Smith. Play continues. Regier back to get it. He'll go D to D. That's played outside the zone. Sinclair waiting for a teammate to clear the zone, and back in come the Blizzard. Shot towards the center of the net, and a tip, and Demers. There was a good quality scoring opportunity for the Blizzard. Side of the face-off circle. Trimble goes cross ice. Oh, out! What a nice feed. What was Regier doing way down there, but Trimble able to find him, and a great save by Bukowski to keep this a scoreless game. Off the draw. Puck stays in the face-off circle. Krabatov gets it back to the point. Shot. Loose puck. Oh, and the Blizzard. Lorenz with a great save by Demers, but the loose puck. Lorenz able to. It just trickled underneath the arm of Demers, and the Blizzard, with 7:16 remaining in the opening period, are the first to get on the scoreboard. Smith alley-oops it out through neutral ice. Funny bounce, loose puck, picked up Trimble. Trimble gives it off. Nice little play there by Michael Chuck. Shot, and a toe save by Bukowski as Trimble comes trembling in. With 5 seconds remaining in their man advantage, one last pass up ice. But that's right to the stick of Brust. Brust plays it back blindly, right to the Blizzard, centering pass. Demers out to jump on it with Paul right there along the blue line. Brust gets it off to Corman. Corman, high slot area, gives it off. Gwynison, centering pass. Oh, how did they miss the wide open net? As Mitch Thiessen was mauled in front of the net. Wilton brings it into the offensive zone, cross ice. Centering pass. Oh, that just fails to collect as Romanov had a pretty good opportunity on the setup for Lapointe, but back go the Blizzard, up ice into the Neepawa zone, centering pass. That's broken up. Neepawa, chip forward, good effort by Romanov in the offensive zone, drops back, shot, toe save. Romanov finds the loose puck along the end boards. Centering pass, shot, deflects on a good defensive play. I believe that was Aaron Lorenz that got his stick in the way. On the draw, puck tied up, taken into the corner by Regier, but out. Regier took it to the corner, but quickly the Blizzard get it out front, and the one-timer, and I believe that was number 19, Brett Tatarin, and the Blizzard capitalize on a mistake in the defensive zone. Smith plays it down low. Lapointe there to find it. Lapointe, centering pass. Oh, what a scoring opportunity. Couldn't quite get it away. I think that was Romanuk that had that on a great setup. The Blizzard with a fierce offensive zone rush. Now played up ice. In comes Greg Gwynison, short side. Puck loose. Blizzard quickly in on the forecheck, but Brust eludes to Taran and heads up ice. Right side pass. Gorman. Hanging on, Gorman along the blue line, cross ice. Hyatt stepping in, shot. That's wide of the net. Big rebound. Towards the point, breakaway pass just fails to connect. Brust with a good job of getting back and stripping the puck, and we've got a fight going off into the Blizzard zone. And again, no idea how that erupted, but I can't quite make it out who the two combatants are. It looks like it is Birch for the Titans and Gill for the OCN Blizzard, as both of those two players will be escorted over to the alleyway back to the dressing rooms. Played around by Kim Ventong. Blizzard unable to control. Zimmerman there though. Takes it behind his own net, goes high around the boards, kept in by Smith. Another shot towards net. Deflect. Oh, score! On the rebound! And a great job by Smith to keep it in at the point. The deflection goes right across to, is that Wilton? Yes, he's the first one out of the pack as Dylan Wilton finally cracks the mystery known as Steve Bukowski. Goaltender out for the Titans, so Neepawa 6 skaters on 5. Oh, Bunston, or I should say Stange, mishandles the first play. Oh, that's just wide of the net. Up to Ryland, Gwinnison, Trimble taken down, puck loose, back to Brust. Brust gives it off. The point towards the front of the net, shot, backhand save, rebound. All tied up, now it trickles into the corner. Blizzard find it, and there's whistle blows well before the puck got to this end, so obviously there's a penalty being called. On the draw now, Romanuk wins it back. All tied up, gets to the point, kept in, good job by Wilton. Shot, Smith, rebound! Oh, Neepawa couldn't find it, kept in. Now the Blizzard play it up ice, knocked down by Brust. And there's the horn. So again, it's Wayne Jacobson saying goodnight from the Yellowhead Arena.